What's up everyone, Jack of Many Trades back here again with another unboxing video. Today we're going to be taking a look at the brand new dBrand Killswitch, and I'll also be informing you guys of the latest news on this product so that if you didn't read the email yet, you will sort of understand what's going on with this and why the release has been delayed yet again. So without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so here is everything that you get in the box. You get, for me, since I pre-ordered, I was able to get these Portal-themed grip sticks included for free. Since I also opted for the travel bundle, I got these regular black grip sticks included. I also got the travel cover, the teardown skin, obviously the case itself, the magnetic kickstand, and the microfiber cleaning cloth. So that's everything that you get in this bundle. Let's see what it looks like on the Steam Deck. So here is the dBrand Killswitch with the top cover on. As you can see, it covers pretty much every single button on the device. So you have your sticks covered, you have the microSD card at the bottom covered. The only buttons that are actually exposed to some degree are the back buttons, but these grip buttons I don't think are going to be a major issue when you're transporting it. It even covers your analog triggers, so that's really good. And it even has power button cover, so there is no chance that you will accidentally turn your Steam Deck on if you're using this and you just happen to throw this in your bag. So here we can see the Project Killswitch successfully installed on the Steam Deck. I don't have the skin installed just yet, since I wanted to get this video out as fast as possible, but that is going to be something that I'll do at a later point. Here we have the magnetic kickstand, which attaches right here on the back. And this is kind of where the problem starts. So according to dBrand, there's two types of Steam Decks out there. There is one that has a Delta fan and one that has a Huaying fan. So essentially what the problem is that for people who got earlier versions of the Steam Deck which have the Delta manufactured fan, that is the whiny version. The magnetic part of this kickstand supposedly interacts poorly with that particular model, and so people were experiencing slowdowns due to the magnetic field interrupting whatever the fan was doing, and so dBrand officially has canceled all further shipments of this product. Since mine was shipped out before they were made aware of this, I actually got my hands on it. But in case you are one like me who ordered this on day one and already got it shipped out and received it, don't worry, because they are actually currently in the process of redesigning the case and the kickstand to work without magnets, so that way even if you do have one of the Delta fans, you will be okay. So they said that they will likely be shipping them in January of next year. So what the good news is for those of us who have already purchased these is that we will be getting another case and another kickstand for free. But in the meantime, you can still use this case with no impedance to your experience. It will not interact with your fans. The only thing that dBrand is saying will actually interact with your fan if you have the Delta model is the kickstand. So if you have one of these and you have a Delta fan, you can still use the case and obviously the grip sticks and everything, but you will need to wait until they come out with the revision in order to actually be able to take advantage of this kickstand. All right, so the last thing that I wanted to discuss is if the new Project Killswitch from dBrand is actually going to be compatible with the original case that came with your Steam Deck. This is not something that I've seen on any other video, so I wanted to show it in mine. I've taken off the kickstand, so obviously with the kickstand on, there's no way that it would fit in here. So without it, it seats very snugly. So as you can see, the Project Killswitch does fit in the Steam Deck case. What I would recommend is if you're going to be carrying the Steam Deck around in its original case with Project Killswitch on top of it, be sure to remove your thumbsticks. These add a little bit of extra height to your thumbsticks, and so when you close up the case, it can push up against them. It won't necessarily click them, but it doesn't take much force from the top to actually click the sticks if your grips are on. Alright, so that was a quick unboxing and overview of the brand new dBrand Killswitch. I hope you guys enjoyed that, and please like, comment, and subscribe.